aggressive, smoking gas to the face, it's stuck up in my kidney. Don't trip about no hoes, just like money. I got plenty. Told them nigga don't get too comfortable. I shoot until it's empty. One shot to the head, one shot to the neck. Now he dead. Rack up in my pocket, try to take it, put one in your head. KJ, he gon' shoot it, overkill into your head. I'ma keep making it money till they put me in my bed. Until them niggas take my legs down. Bet not bow to no man, G and N, they gon' fucking steal. Slide by myself in the stolo with this chopper in the back. Stuck up in the bag. Take some from me, that's your ass. He take some from me, that's your ass, nigga. Take some from me, I'ma hit you with this gun, nigga. You wanna from me, push your time, nigga. I don't give no fuck, yeah, I can't fuck with no nigga. Yeah. Pop a nigga like a perk. If he ever took some from me, best believe he in the dirt. I can't see none of my niggas on the shirt. That shit'll hurt. Before they take one of my niggas, we gon' put them in the dirt. 12 on my ass, you know, Lil' KJ controlling it, ho. Before I let a nigga take my life, I pop him like a perk. I was on it cause he tried to play me in it. Play me in this shit, KJ passed the Glock and I pistol whip that hoe. Yeah, pistol whip that hoe. Yeah. On my life.